Hey everybody, this is Mo in Memphis, Tennessee with 901 Sounds. We finished working on a 2018 Chevy Camaro SS. We just finished installing some RGB LED boards made by Diode Dynamics. They look factory and they sit pretty much in the same original spot as the OEM ones do. The only difference is these have like 5 or 6 wire hookup to them to create the RGB look. And on top of that, you know, if you want to go back factory with the original look, you can definitely do that and maintain the OEM look. A system like this typically is installed using your 12 volts power. We don't like to use switch power or any of that stuff just because you definitely want to show these off at night without your car running. But I'm going to dial these back in to kind of give our customer that red and black theme on this Camaro SS. If you're in the Memphis market and you definitely want to get lit up, just come by and check us out at 2235 Covington Pike, Memphis, Tennessee. We're open 7 days a week. Something else I'd like to touch up on with a package like this, you can use a regular remote control that's radio frequency, or you can opt in and use the actual app. The app is a lot better. You have a better distance, better range on it, and you can actually kind of save your patterns and save your presets on here, so you won't have to really worry about trying to figure out, you know, how to operate your lights off of a remote control. But again, like I said, if you're in the Memphis market, look us up, everybody. Open 7 days a week. 901 Sounds, 2235 Covington Pike. One-stop shop for all your auto accessory needs.